What's going on, guys? Ian here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. We got into the bike I want to show you today. Got a 2011 Harley-Davidson Street Glide FLHX. It's got a 103 cubic inch motor, and also it has that 6-speed transmission, which is always nice to have that extra gear. Nice little orange paint job. I'm not sure what they call it. Not sure what the name of it is. Of course, mag front wheel. Plenty of tread on the tire. Michelin Commander, that's a good tire. It does already have the highway pegs added. Smoke turn signal lenses. So that's a plus. Chrome accents on the mirrors. Some upgraded Harley grips. That's an upgrade. It does have already the radio trim kit put on there with the speaker trim kit. Of course, you have your AM/FM radio with CD player and electronic cruise control, which is always it comes in handy. It does have chrome switch housings. Still black buttons, but I like the contrast. Looks like it's got a mark here on the saddlebag. Nothing, a little touch-up paint wouldn't fix. Got passenger pegs for the rider, along with the backrest, which is quick release, so you can take it on and off anytime you'd like. So if you didn't want to ride with it, you can take it off and put it back on later. Comes with factory exhaust. So it's set up for you to customize it how you'd like it. So we got some more marking on the bag here. I saw a chip in the, no, that's just dirt, it's coming off. All in all, it's a pretty sound bike. See how many miles we have. 13,000 exactly. Couldn't do that again if I tried. See how she sounds. Started up with no hesitation, no problems at all. Pretty clean motorcycle. She's pretty responsive too. Well, this bike does qualify for our extended warranty program, along with some great financing options. If you'd like some more information on this motorcycle, you can contact our sales team at 888-400-1151. Or if you'd like to see some more pictures on this unit, you can get on our website at cleanharleys.com. Plenty of pictures up there. And we do ship bikes all over the world, so we can get this thing through your front door for you. Well, this is Ian with American Motorcycle Trading Company. Thanks for watching.